Hello, Solomon Gorillas. It is great to have you all back within these walls. Today, this presentation is based on a thing called digital citizenship. What is it? Well, it refers to the responsible use of technology by anybody who uses computers, the internet, and digital devices to engage with society on any level. Why do we do this? Well, the SIPA and E-rate program requires schools to educate students on appropriate online behavior, social networking in chat rooms, and cyberbullying awareness and response. These are some ways you will be engaging digitally within our classrooms. You'll be using it for presentations, research, and social media. What concepts are involved with digital citizenship? Number 1 is digital literacy, understanding useful information from spam. You must know that every Google search, not every result, is a credible source. Cyberbullying prevention. This is modeling respectful behavior and report anything that may be uncomfortable, especially in chat rooms and on social networking. Online safety. You must protect yourself and identity by only visiting appropriate websites and reporting any questionable behavior to a trusted adult. Number 4 is digital responsibility. Be wise. You hold the power of your future educational success in your hand. With great power comes great responsibility. Digital health and wellness. Technology can be addictive. Too much technology can lead to mental stress, eye problems, ergonomic issues, and even dietary issues. So what does this mean for you as a Solomon Gorilla? Just know that your internet usage will be monitored by staff. You must use appropriate websites. Anything you search can be traced back to your computer or your device. Use device for educational purposes only. Use the TAP program. TAP is transparent, accessible, and professional. You must think of TAP every time you are contacting any of your friends or your professors. Here are a list of my references.